Good morning. Here are the headlines for today. Chevron acquires Hess, becomes a major player in Guyana's oil sector. Sint Maarten Conference unites 27 countries to protect consumers and intellectual property. Cuba and Guyana to ink agreement to boost honey production. U.S. oil and gas giant Chevron announced that it is entering the Guyanese petrochemical market as it has purchased Hess Corporation. In a statement, Chevron said the all-stock transaction is valued at $53 billion and gives the company an enterprise value including debt of $60 billion. Chevron said the transaction gives them 30% ownership of the Starbrook block, which has more than 11 billion barrels of oil equivalent. ExxonMobil and China National Offshore Oil Corporation hold the remaining shares in the 6.6 million acre offshore oil reserve that's located in Guyana's Atlantic coast. Under the terms of the agreement, Hess shareholders will receive 1.0250 shares of Chevron for each Hess share. To read more on this article by Dylan D. Strong, go to Caribinvestv.com. The second annual InterCounterfeit and Intellectual Property Conference in Sint Maarten saw experts from 20 countries come together to address the global issue of counterfeit goods and protect intellectual property rights. The conference, hosted by Minister of Justice Anna E. Richardson and supported by the government of Sint Maarten and De Sousa, emphasized the need for global collaboration. Speakers including Gerardo Ortiz of Nike and Julie Merage of Procter and Gamble highlighted the consequences of counterfeit products on consumers. Peggy Ann Brandon of the Sint Maarten Chamber of Commerce introduced the COCI approach, advocating for awareness and encouraging consumers to support businesses committed to authentic sale of products. The event marked a significant expansion from the previous year, with international speakers demonstrating the importance of combating counterfeit trade and protecting intellectual property. To read more on this article, go to bes-reporter.com. As a follow-up to our coverage from September 5th on Guyana's plan to get Cuba's help in honey, Guyana and Cuba recently strengthened their bond with the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to boost the production of honey in Guyana. The signing took place during the ongoing Agri-Investment Forum and Expo. The agreement seeks to form a framework of cooperation between the agriculture ministries in both countries in the areas of forestry, beekeeping, the production of animal and livestock products, agriculture and vegetable products, among other areas. Director General at the Ministry of Agriculture, Madinlal Ramaj, noted that Guyana is developing cooperation with countries that have the best agricultural practices, listing Cuba as one of those countries. Ramaj noted that if exploited, beekeeping could provide employment and a sustainable income for the population in hinterland communities. To read more on this article, go to PLEnglish.com. And just to remind you, be sure to tune in to Caribinvestv on all its platforms as we bring you coverage of the World's Carib Music Festival in Dominica from October 27th to 29th. This was your Caribinvest headline news to start your day. Bonjour!